Okay, hi and welcome to another Ben Golding guitar class, and today we're having a look at an absolute classic bit of disco dance music from the wonderful Kool and the Gang. It's fresh, one of my favourite ever tunes. Now we're going to do as usual a kind of stripped down acoustic version that shouldn't give you too many problems even if you're just starting out, but as well as the regular open chords I'm going to give you the bar chords as well, so if you want to get a little bit more intermediate with it you could maybe try the bar chords as well, whichever one suits you. But moving straight on, the chords you are going to need for this song are just a B minor, and here is the B minor bar chord. You will need a G, and here is the G bar chord. You will need an A, and here is the A bar chord. And you will also need an F sharp minor, and here is the F sharp minor bar chord. Okay, so like I always say, if any of those chords give you any problems, just try freezing the video and just try practicing them slowly in your own time. But assuming you're good to go, let's just crack on with the song. The chords will come up on the screen, and as you can see, most of the song is just B minor to G to A, but then there's that bridge where you've got G to A, etc., and then it finishes on the F sharp minor. Okay, we're going to do a very straightforward strummer kind of and I am going to hum the tune, so I have to excuse the singing, but let's just crack straight on. So ready with your B minor, and B minor, and then a G, and then an A, and back to B, and then a G, and then an A. Try the bridge now, and then G, G, to A, and then G, and G, F sharp minor, back to B minor, and then a G, and A, and back to B. Just to the fade, and that is it. Okay, all the way through, just like that. Okay, give it a try. A nice, easy acoustic version of Fresh. Get your vocals sorted out, it'll sound fantastic, and maybe try the bar chords if you want to get above, a little bit more intermediate with that one. All the best. Please like and subscribe if you enjoy it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon for more easy, classic guitar tunes with Ben Golding Guitar. Thank you.